Solving equations with x in both sides. Write the heading. First example is equations like this. 2x plus 5 equals x minus 3. Now in this equation, left hand side I have 2x plus 5, right hand side x minus 3. X is in both sides. Solving equation means our target is to find the value of x. So we need to take all the x terms into one side, then two numbers other side. Then we can isolate x. So here in left hand side there are 2x. Right hand side only 1x. When we are moving, move to the side which has more number of x terms. Since left hand side we have more, I am moving this x to left. Then numbers to opposite of that. Opposite side means right hand side. So there's only one number in left hand side, that is plus 5. When we move it, it goes changing its sign. Now x also same. It comes to left hand side as negative x or minus x. Then we'll write it. 2x minus x is in left hand side now. Right hand side I had minus 3. With this 5, it comes as minus 5. Now it's easy. Simplify the like terms. 2x minus x. Different signs, subtract them. 2x minus x is like 2 minus 1. 2 minus 1 is 1. X equal, same sign, add the numbers. Minus 3 minus 5, altogether minus 8. X is equal to 8. Minus 8. Second example, if there are brackets, 2y minus 3 plus 2 equal, no, we'll change it, not 2, like 3 equal 3y minus 1. Now y is there in both sides, left hand side and right hand side both. In left hand side, y is inside of the bracket. So first we need to expand this bracket. Remove the bracket first. 2 times y and 2 times minus 3. 2 times y is 2y. 2 times minus 3 is minus 6. Plus 3. Don't multiply 2 and 3. Here plus sign is there. Only multiply the numbers which are inside of the bracket. Equal 3y minus 1. Now left hand side 2y. Right hand side 3y. Now right hand side we have more number of y terms. Move this plus 2y to right hand side. This goes to right hand side. Then take this minus 1 to opposite of that left hand side. Minus 6 plus 3 minus 1 comes as plus 1 equal 3y minus 2y. Then minus 6 plus 3 different sign, subtract. 6 minus 3 is 3, sign of the bigger number. Minus 3 plus 1. 3y minus 2y is 1y. Again different sign, subtract. Minus 3 plus 1. 3 minus 1 is 2, sign of the bigger number. Y is equal to minus 2. So this is how we solve equations when x is or x or y or any algebraic symbol in both sides. Is there any problems here? Any doubts? Is it clear?
Yes, miss.
Okay, then we can move to questions in the tute. First write these two examples. First of all, remove the bracket. If there are bracket, remove the bracket. Collect all the x terms into one side. Then simplify it. Okay, then come to the tute. Page number 5. Do 26 and 27. There's no any brackets. You have to collect all the x terms into one side and simplify. 26 and 27. 26th one. 4x and 6x. So there are more x terms in right hand side. Move this 4x to right. Then minus 7 in right hand side, move it to left hand side. Plus 3 minus 7 become plus 7 equal 6x minus 4x. Change the sign when you are moving. 3 plus 7. Both are same sign. Add them. Plus 10. 6 minus 4 is 2. 2x. 2x is equal to 10. 2x is 2 times x. Opposite of times is divide. Divide both sides by 2. Then we can cancel these 2. 10 divided by 2 is 5. X is equal to 5. Is it correct? Okay, good. Others?
Yes, miss.
Good. Then we'll go to next one. 8x and 6x. More number of x terms are there in left hand side. So we'll move 6x to left hand side. 8x minus 6x equal plus 8. Move this 9 to right hand side. Then plus 9 become minus 9. 8 minus 6, 2x. 8 minus 9, different signs, subtract them. 9 minus 8 is 1, sign of the bigger number. Then divide both sides by 2. 2 and 2 get cancelled. X is equal to minus half. Correct? It's not correct. Kiara, good. 28 and 29 brackets are there. First we have to remove the bracket. Then when you are removing the bracket, see these are decimals. So you can use the cal 3.1 times 4.8x, 3.1 times 1, like that. Then this one 29, 8.9 times x, 8.9 times 3.5. Like that, first of all, remove the bracket, collect all the x terms into one side, numbers to other side. Now, sometimes you may not find which side has more number of x in these ones because these are decimals and there are a lot of x terms. Then don't bother about that. Collect all the x terms into one side, any side you like. Then we can solve it accordingly. If we get a negative x equals some number, we can change it to positive later. So don't bother about which side is having x most or not. Just remove the bracket and collect all the x terms into one side. Try it. 28 and 29. 28 1, 3.1 times 4.8x. 14.88x. 3.1 times 4.8. Find it using the calc. 3.1 times minus 1 is minus 3.1. And minus 3.9 is equal to x plus 1. Then when you collect all the x terms into one side, I am going to take this x to left, minus 3.1 and minus 3.9 to right. 14.88x minus x equal 1 plus 3.1 plus 3.9. 14.88 minus 1. 14 minus 1. It's like 13.88x equal, now add them, 3.9 plus 1, 4.9. 4.9 plus 3.1. 4 plus 3, can add like this now, 3.9. 4.9 plus 3.1. 13.88x. 9 plus 1, 10. 4 plus 3, 7 plus 1, 8. 8.0. Then I'll write it the rest here. 13.88x equal 8. Divide both sides by 13.88. Then these two get cancelled. X is equal 8 divided by 13.88. Use the cal. 8 divided by 13.88. 0.576 like that. It's a long decimal. Write it up to 2 decimal places. 0.58. It is 576 like that. We'll round it. 0.58. Is it correct? Or any different answers? Okay, good. Then 29th one. 8.9, let's remove the bracket first. 8.9 times 3.5. 8.9 times 3.5. So that is 31.15 minus 31.15. Then 4.2 times 3. 42 times 3. It's like that, no? 3 times 2, 6. 3 times 4, 12. Keep the decimal point. 12.6x plus 4.2 times 2.3. 4.2 times 2.3. That is 9.66. 9.66 equal 4.7. Now we'll see the x terms. Left hand side I have 8.9x, 12.6x. Both are plus. Right hand side I have 4.7x. So I am going to move that 4.7x also into left hand side. 8.9 plus 12.6, both are same sign, can add. 9 plus 6 is 15. 8 plus 2, 10. Plus 1, 11. 21.5x equal, oh no, we'll take this one to this side, then minus 4.7x equal plus 31.15 goes as, minus 31.15 goes it as plus. Then 9.66 is minus 9.66. Move the numbers to right hand side. Then 21.5 minus 4.7. This is like 15 minus 7. No? 15 minus 7 is 8. This is 0. 20 minus 4 is 16. 16.8x equal 31.15 minus 9.66. 15 minus 6. 15 minus 6 is 9. This is like 0. 0 minus 6 can't. Then 10 minus 6 is 4. This is 0. 30 minus 9 is 21. So I will check this using the calc. 31.15 minus 9.66. Yes, 21.49. Other one. 8.9 plus 12.6 minus 4.7. 16.8, correct. Then divide both sides by 16.8. 21.49 divided by 16.8. So answer is again a long decimal. 1.27916. 6 is recurring. Write the answer correct to 2 decimal places. The answer is 1.28. Divide both sides by 16.8. Then x is equal to 1.28. Correct? Or any different answer? Okay. The next part is we have to remove the brackets first. As already I said, we need to remove the bracket first. No? Now we have to remove the bracket by multiplying a negative number. Same method, only thing is we have to be careful with this minus sign. Minus 2 times x minus 2x, minus 2 times plus 3 become minus 6. Then again the second bracket. Second bracket also multiply or remove with minus 6. Minus 6 times 2x minus 12x. Minus 6 times minus 4. Minus times minus become plus. 6 times 4 is 24. Then the same method, collect all the like terms and move all x terms into one side, numbers to other side. Find the answer for x. Same way. So we'll go to 30th question. So 30th one, first bracket is okay. Multiply by 4, positive number. But the second one, minus times x. It's like minus 1 times x, minus 1 times minus 2. Remove the bracket, collect all x terms and find the answer for x. So can you do 32, 33? I don't think we need to do examples for this because it's same method. Only thing is you have to be careful when you are removing the bracket. do up to 33, these 4 questions. If you have any questions to ask, you can ask at any time.
Yes.
Finished?
No, miss, sir. Should we do all the 4 questions or only 30 and 31?
All 4. You have finished only first 2.
Yeah, yes, miss.
So you have to do 32 and 33.
Yes, miss.
Okay, we'll first discuss 30 and 31. Then I'll give time to do 32 and 33.
Okay, miss.
30th one, remove the bracket. 4 times 3, 12x. 4 times minus 1, minus 4. Then multiply by minus sign. Minus sign is means it's like minus 1. Multiply by minus 1. Minus 1 times x, minus 1x. Minus 1 times minus 2. Minus times minus is plus 2 equals 42. Then we have 12x and minus x. Like terms, simplify. 12 minus 1. 12 minus 1 is 11x. Minus 4 plus 2. Different signs. 4 minus 2 is 2. Sign of the bigger number. Minus 2 equal 42. Then I can move this minus 2 to right hand side because 11x is already positive. No? If we move it to right hand side, it will be negative. We want to find the answer for positive x. So we'll keep that 11x in left hand side. Move minus 2 to right hand side. And here it is 11x equal 42 plus 2. Change the sign. That means 44. Then divide both sides by 11. X is equal to 4. This is 11 times 1, 11 times 1, 11 times 1, 11 times 4. X is equal to 4. Is it correct? 30th one. Kiara, good. Yenali. Derash.
Yes, miss.
Okay, then we'll go to 31. 5 times 3, 15x. 5 times minus 2, minus 10. Then 9 times 2 and 9 times 4. Minus 9, no. Minus times plus minus. 9 times 2, 18. Again minus times plus minus. 9 times 4, 36. X minus 7 equals 0. Then 15x and minus 36x. Different sign, subtract. 6 minus 5 is 1. 3 minus 1 is 2. Sign of the bigger number minus 21x. Then minus 10, minus 18. Same sign, add them. 10 plus 18. 7 also minus. Same sign. Add all 3 numbers together. 15, 35. Minus 35 equals 0. Then see this 21x. 21x is negative. Now we are going to find the answer for positive x. So if I move it to right hand side, this whole term become positive term. So I'm going to keep this minus 35 in left and move minus 21x to right. Now it is positive. After that, divide both sides by 21. 21 and 21 get cancelled. Only x is remain. Then 21 and 35, 7 times table. This is 7 times 3. This is 7 times 5. Minus 5 over 3. This is an improper fraction. Can convert it into a mixed number. 3 times 1 minus 1. Remainder is 2 over 3. So answer is minus 1, 2 over 3. If you try to write this as a decimal, then it will be a recurring one. Recurring decimal, no? Is it correct?
Miss, I got 1.666.
666, yes. If you write it as a decimal, it goes 666. Then keep a dot here. Because it's recurring, no? Minus 1.6 dot.
Miss, what about rounding of the 2 significant figures?
Significant figures.
Yes, miss, 2 significant figures.
If we round it to 2 significant figures, then it's minus 1.66 like this way, no?
Yes, miss.
This first figure is minus 1. Second figure is 2. Third figure also 6. Then we separate the number after second significant figure. Then check the third figure. If this is 5 or more than 5, add 1 to the previous number. If it's less than 5, don't add, write it as it is. Now I am going to write this correct to 2 significant figure. That's why I separated the number from second figure. This is first, second, third. Now this is 6, no? It is more than 5. So I need to add 1. then the answer is minus 1.7. So minus 1.7 is correct to two figures, not three, two significant figures. Nearest two significant figure, or correct to two significant figures. If I want to correct it to three significant figures, then separate the number from third figure. First, second, third. Draw a dotted line, check the next number, same number, no, it's 6. More than 5, add 1 to the previous number, then it is minus 1.67. This is correct to or nearest to three significant figures. Is it okay now? There are?
Yes, miss.
Okay. Yumna, we are doing solving equations still. Now in these equations, we have x in both sides, or sometimes x is inside of the bracket. The order is first remove the bracket, then collect all the x terms into one side and simplify it. We will get whole number answers, fractions. If it is a fraction, can convert into a decimal. If it is improper fraction, convert into a mixed number or write it as a decimal. So when we are writing as decimals, sometimes we will get recurring decimals also. Then we need to keep that dot. Write the answer in dot notation. Then 32. So Dirash, you want time to do 32 and 33, no?
Yes, miss.
Okay, do it. 32 and 33. Okay, next one. 5 times x, 5 times 3. 5 times x is 5x. 5 times 3 minus 15. Minus 4 times x minus 4x. Minus 4 times plus 1 minus 4 equal minus 11. Then we will collect x terms. 5x minus 4x. 5 minus 4, x. Then minus 15 minus 4, same sign, add them. 15 plus 4 is 19 minus equal to minus 11. We'll take this 19 to right hand side. It goes as plus 19. Minus 11 plus 19. Different signs, subtract them. 19 minus 11. 9 minus 1 is 8. Sign of the bigger number, it is plus 8. No need to put that plus sign. X is equal to 8. Is it correct?
Yes, teacher.
Okay. Then 33. 3 into x, 3 into minus 2. 3x minus 6 minus 15x. Then minus 5 times minus 2 plus 10 plus 74 equals 0. Then 3x and minus 15x, different signs, subtract them. 15 minus 3 is 12, sign of the bigger number, minus 12x. Then minus 6 plus 10, different sign, subtract. 10 minus 6 is 4, plus 4 plus 74 equals 0. So you can skip these steps, no need to write all the steps. I am writing everything. So you can find the answer at once. Minus 6 plus 10, 74. Write the answer at once. Minus 12x. Same sign, add them, plus 78 equals 0. Then move this 78 to 12x. We are moving. Now 12x is negative. We'll move that to right hand side, no? Then we can make it positive, no? Then we have 78 equals 12x. Then divide both sides by 12. 12 and 12 get cancelled. X is equal 78 over 12. Both are divisible by 2. Then it will be 6.
Excuse me, teacher.
Yes.
In the question, the 3 is a minus 3, the first 3.
Ah, I can't see that minus sign because of this tick. That's why I thought, how is it 78? I can't see that minus sign because of my tick. Minus 3x plus 6 minus 15x plus 10 plus 74 equals 0. Then same sign, add them. Minus 3 minus 15 minus 18x Then Ola plus 74 plus 10 is 84. 84 plus 6 is 90. Plus 90 equals 0. Now this is negative, so move it to right hand side. 90 is equal plus 18x. Divide both sides by 18. 18 and 18 get cancelled. 18 times 5, no? 5 times 8 is 40. 5 times 1, 5, 90. Yes. X is equal to 5. Correct, no? Now? Then 34, 35.
Can
So
you
now,
keep previous questions? I want to copy a bit.
you didn't copy?
Yes, miss.
Okay, others can do 34 and 35. This, you want to write 33 or 32? Both?
Miss, about
Both. 5x minus 15 minus 4x minus 4 equal minus 11. Then minus, subtract them. X minus 15 minus 4 minus 19 equal minus 11. Move this to other side. X is equal minus 11 plus 19. Different sign, subtract. Then 33 minus 3x plus 6x minus 15x plus 10 plus 74 equals 0. Same sign, add them. Minus 18x. Then the numbers also can add Ola plus. 84 plus 6, 90 equals 0. Since this is negative, move it to right hand side. 90 equal 18x. Divide both sides by 18. X is equal to 5. 34 and 35. Brackets are there in both sides. Same method, expand them. Then take all the extents into one side and simplify. (35x 21) minus 21 minus 10 equal. Remove the bracket. 6x minus 10. Again remove the bracket. Minus 15 plus 21x. Then I can simplify left hand side little bit. Minus 21 and minus 10, same sign, add them. Minus 31. Right hand side 6x plus 21. Same sign, add them. 27x. Minus 10 minus 15. Again same sign, add them. Minus 25. Now we'll collect the exterms into one side. Since there are more exterms in left, I will move this 27 to left. Minus 31 to right hand side. 75x minus 27x equal minus 25 plus 31. 35 minus 27. 15 minus 7 is 8. X. Then 31 and 25, again different sign, subtract them. 11 minus 6, 11 minus 5 is 6. 2 minus 2 is 0. Then divide both sides by 8. 8 and 8 get cancelled. Can simplify by 2. 3. This is 2 times 4. X is equal to 3 over 4. As a decimal, x is equal 0.75. Is this the answer?
Yes, teacher.
Okay. Then 35. (28) plus 12x minus 30 plus 35x plus 1 equal 8 plus 32x. X terms. 12, 35. Same sign, add them. 12 plus 35. 5 plus 2, 7. 3 plus 1, 4. 47x. Then numbers 28 minus 30, different sign, subtract. Minus 2. Minus 2 plus 1, again different sign, subtract, minus 1 equal 8 plus 32x. Same like earlier, I need to move this 32x to left because 47 is more than 32. 47x minus 32x, move minus 1 to other side. 8 plus 1. Then 7 minus 2 is 5. 4 minus 3 is 1. 15x equal 9. Then divide both sides by 50. 15 and 15 get cancelled. 9 and 15 both are divisible by 3. 3 times 3, 3 times 5. 3 over 5, or write it as a decimal, 0.6. After this, we have word problems. We need to make the equation and solve. So when we are making the equations, we should know some basic theorems in geometry, some equations to find areas of shapes. We need to know some more things other than algebra. It's not only from the algebra. Algebra part is solving part, no? Solving the equation. Before solving, we need to make the equation. So we need to know those basic theorems in algebra, geometry parts, and equations related to finding areas, perimeter, circumference, like that. We need to consider in the given problem. So if you have finished this, you can go to the next page. Next page, you can see first question is about a triangle. Problems leading to equations. Question number 36. There is a triangle. Those interior angles of the triangle marked as 4x, 6x plus 20, 80 minus 2x, like that. Then using those three angles, you need to make the equation. Give it a try. So can I move to that page? Who wants more time to write these answers? Here, the first question. Find x and the size of each angle in this triangle. First, we need to make the equation considering this triangle. All three angles are inside of the triangle, interior angles. So we have a theorem related to interior angles of a triangle. What's that? Interior angles of a triangle. There are three interior angles. All three angles add up to
180.
180. So we need to know that. If not, we can't write this equation. So add these three and equate it to 180. That's our equation. Then find x, solve it and find the value of x. After that, we need to write all three angles separately. First, you find the value of x. Then write what is 4x, what is 4x plus 20, and finally what is 80 minus 2x. Do that. 80 minus 2x. 1, 2, 3. 180. Then add all the x terms. 4x plus 6x is 10x. 10x minus 2x is 8x. We can write that once. 4 plus 6, 10. 10 minus 2 is 8. Then I can take this 80 and 20 to other side. If I add them, it's 100. 80 plus 20 is 100. Take it to other side. It goes as minus 100. 180 minus 100. So 8x is equal 80. Then divide both sides by 8. X is equal to 10 degrees. So in this question, we use the theorem sum of interior angles of a triangle is 180 degrees. That's the theorem we used here. Then they asked to write each angle. So first I'll write what is 4x. 4x is 4 into 10, 40 degrees. Then 6x plus 20. 6 into 10 plus 20. 60 plus 20 is 80 degrees. Then finally, 80 minus 2x, 80 minus 2 into 10, 20, 60 degrees. All three should add up to 180. 80 plus 40, 120, 120 plus 60, 180. So it's correct. So in these type of questions, so in exams also you won't write these parts. Read the question and write the answer for the question. So you only stop from here. Find x. You forgot to write the rest. So make sure to complete it. Read the question first. So after you write the answer also, go back to the question and see whether is it the thing they asked to find. If it's not, you need to do some more works there. So after everything completed, you can write the final answer given in the blanks. So in the blanks, can write 40. If there are 3 blanks, you will remember. Sometimes they won't give 3 blanks. They will give only 1 blank. Then you need to write 40 degrees, 80 degrees, 60 degrees, like this. This is the final answer. So you won't remember to write this. You will write this as 10. Forget about this part. I think this is correct, no? All got correct?
Yeah, teacher.
Yeah. Then go to 37. 37 is about perimeter. Area is length into breadth. Perimeter, add all the side lengths. Perimeter is addition. Area multiply length and breadth. Find the value of x and the perimeter of this triangle. First find x. Finally, write the perimeter. 37. So for this one, you need to know the properties of a rectangle. 37. We know that in a rectangle, opposite sides are equal. And all the angles equal to 90 degrees. Now I gave the hint. Who has found the value of x?
Teacher, is it 2?
Yes, it's 2. Who else found it? After finding the value of x, only you can write the perimeter. First thing you need to find x. There's no anything regarding area. So they haven't given us area. No point of writing area equation. Yenali, did you find?
Miss, I have a question.
Yes.
But
Ask.
they haven't given the amount for the perimeter.
Sorry, I couldn't hear.
Miss, they haven't given the total for the perimeter, right?
They haven't given. We have to find the value of x and the perimeter of this rectangle. First, you need to find x. So think how we find this answer. Go back to the rectangle and see. They have given us 3 sides. Why they have given 3 sides here? You need to use properties of a rectangle. So I told you
Opposite sides of a rectangle is equal.
equal. See, these 2 sides are equal to each other. Now, if this side is 8 centimeters, this also 8, no? But they have given 2 expressions. 4x minus 2 and x plus 4. They should be equal. So that's the equation we need to write. Opposite sides are equal. Therefore, 4x minus 2 is equal to x plus 4. This is the equation. Solve this and find x.
Got it, Miss. Thank you.
Teacher, is the perimeter of the rectangle 38?
Can I know the answer for x?
2, teacher.
2. 8 minus 2 is 6. 6, 12. 8 plus 3, 13. 13, 13, 26. 26. And 12. 38, no?
Yes, teacher.
Correct. So I can move this x to this side. Then it is 4x minus x equal 4. Move minus 2 to right. Plus 2. 3x is equal to 6. Then divide both sides by 3. 3 and 3 get cancelled. 3 times 1. This is 3 times 2. X is equal to 2. Then perimeter means length around the shape or all lengths at all the side lengths. Now 4x plus 5. 4 into x is 2 plus 5. 4 into 2, 8. 8 plus 5 is 13. If this side is 13, other side also 13. And here x plus 4. X is 2. 2 plus 4 is 6. If this is 6, other side also 6. Then 6 plus 6 is 12. 13 plus 13 is 26. Add them. Perimeter equals 6 plus 6, 12 plus 13 plus 13, 26. 2 plus 6 is 8. 1 plus 2 is 3. 38. They haven't given any unit. So we can write only the value 38. Then go to the next one, 38. Cup of tea, coffee, and hot chocolates. 3 things are there. 3 drinks given. Their prices given in terms of x. So you need to make the equation. 3 cups of coffee, 5 cups of tea, and 2 cups of hot chocolate is $8.90. Use that to write the equation. The last sentence, this one. So all these costs given in cents. This C means cents. Dollars and cents, like rupees and cents, pounds and pence. C means that. X minus 10C means X minus 10 cents. X cents. X plus 20 cents. So you need to convert cents and pounds also. Not pounds, cents and dollars.
Yes, teacher.
Okay. So when you are reading this question, you can see here a cup of tea costs 10 cents less than a cup of coffee. So the price of coffee taken as X, then the price of tea is less than a coffee. How much less than? 10 cents. So we need to know how to write these expressions also. Luckily in this question, they have given it. So if they haven't given these ones, we need to make these expressions before we write the equation. Now, 10 cents less than the price of a coffee. Coffee is X rupees or X cents less than 10. So, X minus 10. The next one, while a cup of hot chocolate is 20 cents more than a cup of coffee. It is more than. More than means plus. More than 20 cents. Previous one, less than. Less than means minus. So, we need to know how to write these expressions. X plus 20. All three are given in cents. But the final sentence, they have given the cost or the price of 3 cups of coffee, 5 cups of tea, and 2 cups of hot chocolate, $8.90, not in cents. So we need to convert this dollars into cents before we write this equation. Or you have to convert these cents into dollars. Both are correct. Now I'm going to convert this into cents. So it's same like the rupees and cents. 100, cents. Cent means century, cent, all are hundreds. $1, 100 cents. So times it by 100. Then it will be 890 cents. This is the total. Total means 3 cups of coffee. This is 1 cup of coffee, 3 times of this. I'll write the answer here. 3 cups of coffee. Coffee I'll use C plus 5 cups of tea plus 2 cups of hot chocolate is equal to 890 cents. C is price of coffee. Coffee is X. So this is 3X plus 5 times cost of a coffee. X minus 10. X minus 10 plus 2 hot chocolates. 2 times price of 1 hot chocolate is X plus 20 equal 890. This is our equation. Form an equation with X representing the price of a cup of coffee. So representing the price of coffee means X means price of a coffee. Part B, solve this equation and find the price of cup of coffee. That means find the price of X. And first expand these brackets, then add all X terms. I need to expand here and here, 2 brackets. 3X plus 5X minus 50 equal 2X plus, not equal, plus 2X plus 40. 2 times 20 equal 890. 3X, 5X, 2X. All are plus, add them. 5 plus 3, 8. 8 plus 2, 10. Minus 50 and plus 40, different signs subtract. Minus 10 equal 890. Then move this 10 to other side. 10x is equal 890 plus 10. That means 900. Then divide both sides by 10. 10 and 10 get cancelled. 0 and 0 I can cut. X is equal to 90. Now X means cost of 1 cup of coffee here. So there's that price. So don't just keep it X is equal to 90. Right? Price of a cup of coffee is 90 cents. If you convert it into dollars, $0.90. Is this the answer? Yumna?
Yes, teacher.
Kiara?
Yes, teacher.
Derash?
Yes, miss.
Okay. Then there are 3 more sentence type questions. Give it a try. 40, 41, 42 as homework. So we haven't done percentages, right? In number lesson?
Not yet, teacher.
Yeah. So the next part to find, to make these equations from 43 onwards, we need the knowledge in percentages. So we'll keep it to complete later. So you need to do this 40, 41 and 42 as homework. So they are little bit tricky questions. You need to think and do. Then 43 to 45, mark and keep to do it later. So next day we'll do percentages. Then we can complete these 3 questions also there. Remind me that we haven't done these 3 questions next week. Next week we'll do that number tute. Percentages part and these 3 questions together. So that's all for the algebra part 1. Then algebra part 2 is again starting from simplifying. Then like in fractions, we can add, subtract, divide, multiply algebraic fractions also. Algebraic fractions means fractions with algebraic term. That's the only difference. Same like the normal fractions, addition and subtraction, we need to get the common denominator. Multiplication, no need to get the common denominator, cancel off the common factors. Division, turn it upside down and multiply. The same thing. Multiplication, division easy. Addition, subtraction, we have to do some work there because normal fractions also that same. No? Multiplication, division easy. Addition and subtraction, we need to go for common denominator and add them or subtract, do like that. Now, these are algebraic fractions. We can't find the answer for x. These are not equations. Equations we can solve and find. Now, these are expressions. Only we can simplify. Now, check this one, 6y over 2. It's like a division. 6y divided by 2. 6y over 2. Only we can simplify. Numbers with numbers and algebraic symbols with symbols. So, we can divide 6 and 2 by 2. Then y, no, there's nothing to cancel by y. So, y as it is. Y right as it is. It comes to the numerator. Then denominator become 1. No point of writing 1. No. So, answer is 3y. Like that. So, multiplication and division is easy. Now, 46 to 56. All are multiplication and divisions. Here also, if there are multiplication and division in the same question, we need to go from left to right as it appears. No need to go with BIDMAS or BODMAS. If there are additions, multiplications together, then follow the BIDMAS or BODMAS. Order of operations. Now come to this page, simplifying algebraic expressions, multiplication and division. I think can complete, yes, up to 51. Everything can, 46 to 51. Do it quickly. Only thing you need to do is cancel off the common factors. Division and over, both are same. 6x divided by 3x. It's same as 6x over 3x. 46, I told the answer, no? 2 times 1, this is 2 times 3, answer is 3y. 47, I can write it 6x over 3x. Over and division, same. X and x I can cancel. 3 times 1, this is 3 times 2, answer is 2. 48, 3 times 1, this is 3 times 4. Then c terms also we can cancel. One of the c term in numerator I can cut. Then it is 4c. Here, this also I can write it over 3a squared b squared over 12ab squared. Then cancel off the common terms. 3 times 1, this is 3 times 4. Then a terms, I can cut only one a term from numerator. B terms, both I can cancel. Then remaining in the numerator, only a, denominator 4, a over 4. 50. 0 and 0 I can cut, it's like dividing by 10. Then 40 and 15, both are multiples of 5. 5 times 3, 5 times 8. That's all I can do with the numbers. Then a to the power 3 and a to the power 2, I can cut a to the power 2. This is 1 remaining. B to the power 2 and b to the power 3, 1 remaining. Then in numerator, I have 3a. Denominator, 8b. 3a over 8b. 51. We can't cancel zeros and zeros, but both are divisible by 5. 45 is 9 times 5. 150. 15 is 5 times 3. So 150, 5 times 30. 9 and 30 again can cancel by 3. 3 times 3, 3 times 10. That's all. Then the x terms. X to the power 3, this is x to the power 5. These are like indices, laws of indices. Subtract the powers. 5 minus 3, 2. X to the power 2 is remaining. Y to the power 4, y to the power 4, cancel. Then z to the power 5, z to the power 3, 3 get cancelled. Here only 2 is remaining. Numerator 3 and z to the power 2. Denominator I have 10 x to the power 2 only. Correct? Any different answers? Can I know all correct or not? So can we go to next set of questions?
Yes, teacher.
Okay. Now I will clear this. Then 52, 53, 54. This should be 55. Yes, 4 questions are there. 2, 3, 4, 5. It's not 56. Now, no need to correct it. Leave it as it is. Do these 4. Finished? So this is like multiplication. Cancel off the common terms. X can't cancel. Both are in numerator. You have to multiply. Multiply means add the powers. X to the power 2, x to the power 1. Add them. 2 plus 1, 3. X to the power 3. Then y terms can cancel. This is become y to the power 1. Then z also can cancel. This is power 1. Then we'll write the remaining terms. X to the power 3. Z. Denominator, it's y. 53, it's a division. So we need to turn it upside down. Write the reciprocal. 5ab over c squared times, turn it upside down, c over 10a. Now cancel off the common factors. A and A I can cut. 5 times 1. This is 5 times 2. One of the c terms from the denominator I can cancel. That's all. Numerator I have only b. Denominator I have 2 and c. 2c. b over 2c is the answer. Then come to 54. 45 and 50. 5 times table. 9, 10. P to the power 1. Q to the power 2. That's all. Numerator I have 9 P Q to the power 2. PQ squared. Denominator only 10. 9 PQ squared over 10. Then 56. 56 we have multiplication and division both. So square root means half power. Square root x. The symbol, square root symbol represent the power half. Cubic root. We write 3 here. No? Meaning of this is x to the power 1 over 3. These are fractional powers. This root represent a fraction. Now we'll simplify it. So I can write it a to the power 3, b to the power 2 to the power half. Can cancel this one. 3 to the power 1. This is 3 to the power 2. A to the power 3. This is a to the power 2. Okay. Then denominator I have only 2 times a to the power 2b. Power of a power. Here a to the power 3, b to the power 2, everything to the power 2. Power of a power, multiply. 3 times 2, 6. A to the power 6. 2 times 2, 4. B to the power 4. Then this division, I can change it into multiplication. Turn it upside down. Square root means half. Power is half. This is AB. After that, I can cancel this a to the power 2 and a to the power 6. This is cancelled with this 6. 6 minus 2 is 4. B and b to the power 4. This is b to the power 3. That part also okay. Here it's 1. Everything cancelled. Then power of a power. A to the power 3 times half. 3 times half. It's like 3 over 2. A to the power 3 over 2. Then b to the power 2 times half. 2 and 2 get cancelled. It's 1. So b to the power 1 over 2 times 1 over a to the power 4, b to the power 3 times, remove the powers here, expand it, power of a power, same thing, no? These two same, this one and this. A to the power 3 over 2, this is 2, times b to the power 1 over ab. Now I can cancel off these b terms, b and b. Here b and this b to the power 3, it will be b to the power 2. Then a terms, this is a to the power 3 over 2. This one, a to the power 3 over 2. This is also a to the power 3 over 2. Multiplication, add the powers. If we add 3 over 2 plus 3 over 2, same denominator, 3 plus 3 is 6. 6 divided by 2 is 3. This is a to the power 3. Now these two, okay. I didn't divide, I added them. Then there's no b. Then the denominator, I have a to the power 4 and a to the power 1 here. Altogether a to the power 5 and b. Then I can cancel a to the power 3 and a to the power 5. A to the power 3, 5 is a to the power 2. Then numerator it's 1, denominator a squared, a to the power 2. Only one b term is remaining. Is this the final answer, Yumna?
Yes, teacher, I also got that.
Yeah. So questions like this, they are not difficult. So we have to simplify it carefully. Do it in a systematic way. Don't rush it here and there. Don't cancel off here and there. Do it properly. Clearly write the answer. So there may be so many steps. That's okay. Do it clearly. So if you try to do it very quickly without writing all the steps, you might get the wrong answer. So in these steps, as much as possible, write all the steps. Then you don't get any mistake. Dirash, how is your answer?
Yes, sir, correct.
Correct. So since others also left because they had doctor's appointments, some other classes. So shall we stop the class today now? Without doing till 8?
Yes.
Yumna?
Yes, teacher.
So shall we finish the class for today now? Because the others also left. One had doctor's appointment, one had another class.
Okay, teacher.
Okay. Then remind me to do next week that percentage
Percentage.
part. Yeah.
Okay,
Then
teacher.
percentages after that to do the 3 questions here in this tute. Then after we do percentages, we'll come back to the algebra tute and do addition and subtraction of this part. I'll show it. Here, this addition and subtraction of algebraic fractions. I have shared a paper also, no? So complete it. Before Friday, try to send me the answers, then I can mark it. Okay. Okay, then we'll finish the class. Good night. Have a nice day.
Miss, thank you, Miss. Have a nice day, Miss. See you soon.
Okay.
Thank you.